Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, dual exhaust, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Your new ride is just a phone call away.